I know it's been a hot minute, but I am back with another video. DJI have released their brand new Osmo Pocket 4. So this is the standard combo and I'm going to unbox it on camera today. So this is the successor to the Osmo Pocket 3. I did not have the Osmo Pocket 3, unfortunately. I really feel like I should have gotten it, but I just didn't get around to it. So it has the 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is apparently, according to DJI, it's an upgraded sensor. It can do up to 4K 240 frames a second, so you can get some nice, sharp, slow motion shots. You've got the 10-bit D-Log that you can still film in. It still has the 3-axis gimbal from the previous versions. 2x lossless zoom, but I believe you can digitally zoom up to 4x also. It's also got 107 gigabytes of built-in storage, which is a step up from the Pocket 3 because the Pocket 3 had no built-in storage. But we're seeing the built-in storage a lot more with DJI products, which is, I think, an absolute amazing shift, because sometimes people just completely forget their SD cards. Someone like me, of course, yes, I also forget my SD card. So the built-in storage is an absolute lifesaver. It's got a new active track capability, which is, I believe, active track 7, I think they're up to. Yes, it says so active track 7. And let's get this unboxed. What's the best way to do this? I think we can just open it from the top. Oh, here we go, easy. Okay. So right out the gate, we've got the bag, and it seems like they've pre-packed everything in the bag already, so that's great. More protection, and that's the box there, empty. We've got some stickers and some QR codes and a manual in there, so we'll put that away. And then we've got here, open this up. Alright, so here we have the carrying pouch. So it's a black pouch, it's 100% polyester, it's got a little Osmo logo on it there. And the zipper here, it's it's got a bit of a plastic thing on the end. It feels quite premium. And a little carry loop. Open this. Now, just a reminder, this is a standard combo, so this comes just with a standard. It's not a creator combo or anything like that. So this pouch does come as standard, which is really great. We'll open this up here. So there's a little opening here. Got some things. Okay, we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable. This looks like a safety loop you can hook on to your camera. Yep, so you can hook that on the bottom, I assume, so you don't drop your camera and break it. This looks like the extension handle. Yep. So this is the extension handle with a USB-C port right here. And that's the release button, I believe, to take it off. Right there. Peel that off. And it's got a thread at the bottom, so you can mount it onto a tripod if you'd like to. But apart from that, I don't think this has any real function. It's not a extra battery or anything. I believe it is just for that thread to mount the camera onto a tripod. So there's a little extra compartment that those came in with a little click button here, so we can just click that shut. Got some snacks, and of course we have the camera itself, and that's it for the bag. So let's get this open. It feels quite heavy, but that's always, I believe, a good sign. So it feels very sturdy. And that is the camera there. Okay, so that's the camera. That's the back. Sides. Pocket 4 it says here. quite nice, with a bit of the 4s in looks like it's in orange. I like a bit of color, it's good. It's the other side, and we've got some safety stickers on here that we'll just quickly read and remove. Take that off. So that reveals a record button here and a tiny little joystick, and it clicks also. Now I believe the Pocket 3 did not have this little joystick sticking out like this. I think the joystick was more inset. So this will be a very handy tool to have to do some panning shots if you want to do some panning shots. And this record button is also used to power the camera on and off if you'd like without touching the screen. So we're going to take this off like that. Now this also comes with, this looks like a gimbal protector. It's quite small. So the previous version had a little case that covered the whole thing, but it looks like they've gone and gotten rid of that case and they've just replaced it with this tiny gimbal protector here. We should be able to just move this across like that. Comes off like that. Well, this feels actually, I know this is plastic, but it's got a little bit of weight to it, so it should protect the gimbal quite well. And you can see the back of the gimbal here has got some connection points, which would be for if you pick up the creator combo, it comes with a selfie lamp. It's like a floodlight type thing. If you're in low light situations, you can attach this and the light will use the battery from the camera. And there is the lens. They've got stickers on everything on this camera, which is good because it protects it quite well. Okay, that's the camera. And we'll do a first power on, so we should just flip the screen this way. You can tell I'm not a Osmo Pocket user as of yet. Flip that on. Camera turns on. And it's as easy as that. And of course, it wouldn't be a DJI product without having to scan a QR code and register your device. So let's go ahead and do all that. And of course, there's a firmware update, so we'll let that download and install. Now, while that's downloading, I also have purchased the ND filter set. Now, when you go to the accessories page for the Osmo Pocket 4, it actually comes up for the ND filters as the Osmo Pocket 3. So I'm assuming, I'm hoping, that the 3 and the 4, the lenses are exactly the same. So I assume that's what the Go is going to be. So there's a little pouch there, little plastic. And those are the ND filters. And I believe they just stick on magnetically like that. Perfect. And we'll put this little extension on like that. And there you go. You've got a little bit of extra holding handle. And that is the unboxing of the Osmo Pocket 4. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. I will be doing a video on this camera, so stay tuned for that. And thank you for watching.